Aborobo. I come from Delta State, but I dey married to Igbo man. But na Delta Igbo, but Igbo na Igbo, abi?
Okay, my people, you all have heard what that Robo woman said. She said that her husband is Igbo from Delta State. And she said, Igbo is Igbo, right? Of course, my dear, Igbo is Igbo. You know, so many people will be telling her, your husband is not an Igbo man. He's Delta Igbo. Delta Igbos are not Igbos. People say that always. And now because many people don't talk that kind of thing, that's why she said, Igbo is Igbo, right? Igbo is Igbo. Just like we Okwane people now, so many people will tell you Okwane people are not Igbo. So which language are Okwane people speaking? They will tell you Okwane people are not speaking Igbo. They are speaking Okwane. Forgetting that Okwane is a dialect. Just the way Ika is a dialect. Just the way Enuane is a dialect. Just the way Nri is a dialect. Just the way Nsuka is a dialect. Just the way Olu is a dialect. The name of your regional identity is what your dialect will be called. Just like Ikwere people, the name of their region is Ikwere, and that is the name of their dialect. We Okwane people, the name of our region is Okwane, that is the name of our dialect. The region of Ika people is called Ika, that is the name of their dialect. But when it comes to the entire Bia-speaking people, we all are called Igbo. All our dialect is Igbo. Is Igbo dialect, is Igbo language. You can't come and tell me, Okwane people are not Igbo people. Their language is Okwane. How? The white explorers documented that we, our Neoma people, are Igbos. They called us Western Igbos. And the Igbos in River State, which are the Ikwere people and others, they were called Southern Igbos. So nobody of today will come out and be telling us you people are not Igbo. That person is just wasting his time. The entire Delta North are Igbo-speaking people. The Igbos are the majority tribe in Delta State. And those Igbos in Delta State are made up of 3 regions. And they are Okwane, Ika, and Enuane. And Delta North is made up of 9 local governments. And in that 9 local governments, we have Aniocha North, Aniocha South, Ika North, Ika South, Ndokwa East, Ndokwa West, Oshimili North, Oshimili South, and Okwane local governments. These local governments that I just mentioned made up the 9 local governments in Anioma land. We have our separate regional identity, but we are one people. In this Anioma, Okwane, Ika, and Enuane people are brothers. They are one people. When an Okwane man finds himself in Ika land, he speaks Okwane to them, and they will speak Ika to him. They understand each other without difficulty. If they are not one people, they will never understand each other. And the same way we are normal people, if we find ourselves in the southeast, we speak our dialect to them and they speak theirs to us. We understand each other. If we are not one people, we will never understand each other. When it comes to regional identity, our regional names is what our dialect is being called. But when it comes to the entire Bia-speaking people, we are all Igbos. Okwane dialect is Igbo language. Okwane dialect is Igbo dialect. People should stop propagating these lies, telling you it's only Southeast people that are Igbos. South Igbos are not Igbos. They are South people. They are Niger Delta. They are this. They are that. All those things are just nonsense. We all are one people. Before Nigeria was created, we coexist with each other. So because these people are now in Southeast, these people are now in South, they are no longer one people. Can you imagine? So what of those Igbos in Middle Belt? Those Igbos found in Benue State and Kogi State, are they no longer Igbos? So you will not say that because they are not found in the Southeast, they are not Igbos. That's nonsense. The Igbos are found in 13 states in Nigeria. 13 states. They are all Igbos. I've always seen people saying, Igbos, go with your 5 states. If you want to leave Nigeria, you are free to go. Go with your 5 states. So if you want the Igbos to go with their 5 states, what about the Igbo-speaking people in Delta State? What about the Igbo-speaking people in River State? What about the Igbo-speaking people in Edo State? What about the Igbo-speaking people in Kogi State, in Benue State, in Cross River, in Akwa Ibom? The Igbos are located in 13 states, indigenous to 13 states in Nigeria. In the South, Southeast, and in the Middle Belt, Igbos are there. all the states surrounding Igbo land, there are indigenous Igbo speaking communities there. So there's no way you will say Igbos go with your 5 states. No. If you want Igbos to live, make sure that the entire Igbo speaking people live at once. Now we say when I get sense as human being. You are telling the Igbo race to live, and you kept them divided so that the others will live and you will take the others. No. That's not how things happen. So there's nothing like we are not Igbo people, we are Okwana people. It's a lie. There's nothing like we are not Igbo people, we are Igbo people. It's a lie. So all those people saying you are Delta Igbo, you are Delta Igbo, fine. Remember that you are Igbo just like the entire Igbo speaking people in the south, south, southeast, everywhere. Igbo bofu. Our enemies know that we are Igbos. If we are not Igbo people, why did they kill us during the genocide against the Igbos? If we are not Igbo people, why did they kill Asaba people, known as Asaba massacre? If we are not Igbo people, why did they kill Kwale people, Otawono massacre? Why did they kill Ishiago people, Ishiago massacre? All these places that are mentioned in Ainanioma, they told them to start killing after Abudu in Edo State. After that place, start killing. And after that Abudu, Aika people, they started killing from Ika down to the whole of Anioma land, killing our people. If we are Urobo people, will they kill us? No. If we are Ijaw people, will they kill us? No. They killed us because we are Igbos. And so many of our neighbors in this Delta state, the non-Igbo speaking people, when our Anioma people ran there for safety, those tribes started killing our Anioma people. They started killing our people. Go and ask questions, make your research. They will tell you that our people that ran into their land were killed by them. So many of them were lynched because they are Igbos. So if you, while the person likes, keep saying, I'm not Igbo. You keep saying, we Ika people, we are not Igbo. We are not Igbo. You are deceiving yourselves. You are Igbo, just like this, our in-law here said, that Igbo is Igbo, right? Yes, Igbo is Igbo. So we are Igbo. Our culture, tradition, everything about us is Igbo. Everything about us is found in the southeast. Is found in the south-south. Because we all are Igbo people living in these locations that are being created by Nigeria. Before, there's nothing like southeast, south-south. So we say no to propaganda. We say no to lies. No matter the denier, only Igbo cable, and you can never run away from your shadow. Thank you, our in-law from Urobo land. We Anema people love you. The entire Igbo race love you. Thank you, Ada Ishiagwari.